Physical and Personal Development in the Arts. I am Teacher Marley, your teacher for today, for week 1. Today I will be discussing about the artist's anatomy, the body as the instrument. We'll start about what you need to know. In this video lesson, it will give you a comprehensive discussion and practical studies about the parts of the body involved in the creation, performance of the different art forms. Today's video lesson will focus on the skeletal system. On this lesson, you are expected to learn the importance of the bone involved in the creation performance of different art forms. Now for the main lesson, I will give you some examples of bones in the skeletal system. Skull. It is alternately known as the vertebral column or the backbone. It is the structure that encloses and protects the spinal cord. Spine is also referred to as epithelium. Refers to the sheets of cells that cover exterior surfaces of the body, lines internal cavities and passageways, and form certain glands. Muscle tissue. The bony or cartilaginous framework that encloses and protects the brain. Phalanges, as its name implies, binds the cell and organs of the body together and functions in the protection, support, and integration of all parts of the body. Nervous system. It is only the bone located within the human thigh. It is both the longest and the strongest bone in the human body, extending from the hip to the knee. Epithelial tissue. The pelvic cavity is a body cavity that is bounded by the bones of the pelvis and which primarily contains reproductive organs and the rectum. Pelvis. It allows the propagation of electrochemical signals in the form of nerve impulses that communicate between different regions of the body. Connective tissue. It responds to stimulation and contracting to provide movement and occurs as 3 major types: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle in the heart. Patella. The bones of the fingers and of the toes. These are generally 3 phalanges for each digit except the thumbs and large toes. Femur, more commonly known as the kneecap, is a hard, triangular bone that protects the front of the knee joint. Now, with that, we're done with the different example of the bones for the skeletal system. I will tell you some facts about the skeletal system. There are 206 bones in a typical human body, providing a range of important functions, like it provides a framework that supports the body. It also provides a storage site for inorganic salts like the calcium and phosphate. And another one, it creates a system of levers which can be used to create motion in the body. For your activity, you need to choose one part of the skeletal system mentioned in the video. What discipline in art and design will be affected if the skeletal part gets injured? For the second part of this week's discussion, it's all about the tissues of the human body. We are done with today's lesson. I hope you enjoy learning about the skeletal system. If you have some questions, you reach me through our group chat or email me on our Taped account. Make sure to come back again for the second part of this week's discussion. Goodbye.